Hi everybody and welcome back. Here's how you can buy everything in AliExpress, an e-commerce platform. So you can buy some stuffs and then you can actually place an order. You can set a payment option and then you can, go straight forward to the billing, something like that. So let's sign in first. So you can register first using email, I guess. Once you're done signing in, all you have to do is to look for an item, for example, this one. Better click on that, and then let's say if you want to buy this one, click on this one, and then when you want to buy some other stuffs, click on add to cart, and then if you want to straightforwardly buy it, click on buy now, just like so. And then you can choose any of these payment methods, whether you want to use cards, debit or credit, or you can, opt for Alipay Plus. So once you're done, let's say if you want to, provide your card details, or you can opt for Alipay. And then click on Pay Now, something like that. And then you can, add some address, place the name. This will be used in the billing, and then your phone number and your address, and then click on confirm when you're done. And then based on the payment method, you will be asked for code that will be sent into your mobile phone connected to the card that you're using, if you're using card, just like that. And then your purchase is all set. That's how you can buy things in AliExpress. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.